New rich text document, WordPad window, focus on rich text window, editing explorable text. There, hi. There. Today, am, gonna, show, you, how. Hi there. Today I am gonna show you how to change user account password. Works for admin as well selected. Windows selected. Version of Windows for or above Windows Vista and Windows 7 selected. So press Window plus R, Netplwiz E. Type Netplwiz command selected. And press Enter. Let me show. End of line selected. R. N. E. W. Volume mute. User account volume mute. Checked. Unchecked. Automatically sign in. User accounts. New rich text document. WordPad window. Caps lock. End caps. Backspace. Tooltip 1. 2. 2. End of line. D. O. Sp. K. E. A. P. L. L. C. T. Period. H. A. S. Volume mute. Caps lock. Previous track. Previous track. Notification. RZ capture.